Yo. Currently cleaning the wheels up. As you can see, someone's done a terrible paint job on it. So getting that all off so it doesn't leak from the rim when we've got the tyres on. Getting that first bead popped on. Spin it around with the valve. It's got TPMS. Getting that first bead popped on. And then adjusting the pressure. I think these ones take 2.5 bar, which is like 36 psi. There's old ant. Putting it on the balancer. It's being spilled up. Check what weight it needs either side. There it is, sticking on and respinning. And then the tyres will be off the counter. Chucking the sticker, don't need that. Not a lot to explain when you're watching it. Don't want to forget the scent cap, need that. There I am, doing the same thing. Balancing the wheels up. So you'll want your other weight each side, which helps with vibrations. Scrubbing it up with some brake clean, get all the brake dust off. So the weights stick nice. Cleaning the rest of the bead lube off. So it doesn't dry and cause a mess. Chucking the wheel back on. Getting it all lined up for the lug nuts. Always thread them in by hand first. If you send it in with a gun, you cause yourself a headache. Or if you like the risk, take the gamble. It's your choice.
Right. Air jack, trolley jack. Obviously everyone knows how a trolley jack works, how long it takes to go. Let's slide that in. Find your jacking point. Air on. Simple press of a button. All the way up. Nice and quick. Nice and solid. We'll take the wheel off, do what you need to do. And then 1, 2, 3. Ever so slowly. And that's with the car partly lifted with the air jack doing it. A bit more effort. Finally off the floor. And then obviously undo it. Wait for it to go down. Wait with the air jack. Straight down. Let all the air out. There we go, so that's out. Take it off. It's nice and lightweight and easy to use. And you can get extenders, obviously for higher vehicles. Much smaller space to take up than a trolley jack. Easy to manoeuvre. Obviously, as long as you've got air, it'll work. It's like a third of the size of a trolley jack. Does all the same weighting. You can get them so they've got triple bags for a higher lift. And also the spacers for them as well. So if you don't want to get all the way on the floor, you can slide this one in. This one's got 3 bags. It'll do much higher vehicles like your transits and things like that. And then buttons are on the top. So you can slide it in, do your Formula 1 pit stop, pop it up, pop it down, and away you go.